Oops.
Clappy, clap, clap. That's funny.
Tars, you said you
Whoops.
found Space Vidcast due to Chris Perillo? Like, you need to explain that one to me.
I feel
Whoops.
bad. I broke my my pantomiming there. I was looking off this way.
Oh, you said pantomiming. That is not what I heard.
That's
And I
not
was
what I
like,
heard
whoa,
either.
whoa. I know it's
whoa.
after
We broke
dark,
pants.
buddy, but man, hang on.
Something new every week.
Space cats
what did you
without
think?
pants.
Yes. Space cats, no pants. It
I'm
was
not
just
wearing
really
pants
strange.
right now. Film at 11.
Okay, seriously.
What's up?
I don't know anymore. Right, I heard pants too. It was very confusing. Very
Pantomime.
Space cats.
Pantomime.
I broke my pants.
I love that episode of
That's what I think of when
SpongeBob.
I'm like staring off towards you guys. But yeah, while Athena was speaking, I was like staring off this way.
mine?
I'm just like, oh wait a minute, you're
Yes.
supposed to be
Like, I don't care what she's saying. We're just going to ignore her.
I'm just
She's
sitting
not even
looking
here
over,
right
just, like,
now.
nodding my head, just like, oh yeah. Oh, you're over here.
Oh, that's so funny.
Mike, I love it. Also, it's so much fun that, like, you know, again, you're not in studio with us, and I think a lot of people forget. I think we even
I forget.
I forget, too.
oftentimes.
I'm like,
So,
he's right there.
I didn't even notice until you said it, and then all of a sudden you're like, wait, hold on, over on this way. Like, dude,
Yeah. Oh, things.
you work your magic. It's ridiculously impressive. I cannot laud you enough for that. It's
That's hilarious.
so good.
Thanks.
So good.
Oh, man. That's so funny.
Do we know how we're doing? Are we doing the pods and then science? Hello, Miss Jade.
Hi.
Hi, Jed.
We have 15 minutes before science, right?
I think so.
We're doing
better
science
go
at
through.
noon. Is that correct? So does Mike? I didn't look. Who has a pod today?
I also have a pod.
Let's do Mike's space pod,
Right?
and then if we need time, we can hold Athena's space pod until after science.
Right.
Word.
Okay.
Let's do Mike's, and then he can get him off.
All right, Mr. Mike. It's all you, unless you have something else that you want to say before.
Mike, give me just a second. I'm talking Lisa through running space pods.
Oh God, we're gonna let Lisa press
Okay.
buttons. That's a terrible idea. She didn't hear me, did she? Yeah, she did. You know I'm kidding. Although that board is like as big as she is. Sincerely.
It's so big.
Oh man. So yeah, we're gonna do a space pod talking about something that normally Jared would have talked about, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Hayabusa 2 and Ryugu. When this thing actually happens, I'm sure that Jared's gonna be very excitedly talking about it, and that's gonna be great. I love all the robotic spacecraft stuff too, though. Like, don't you guys think that I'm just like a human spaceflight only? Like, I agree with what we were talking about earlier about the human and robotic collaboration, and I like a lot of the robotic probes and especially the interplanetary missions. And Akatsuki was probably one of my other favorites, and the kind of salvaging its mission to get into orbit around Venus. So this one's going to be cool too. Hayabusa 2.
That lets you talk
Just
to Mike
waiting
until
from-
you tell him that you're ready.
Hey, Mike, I think I'm ready.
All right, hello Lisa. All right, let's. I guess we'll give this a try then. And okay. Hello, everyone. Today I wanted to talk about a topic that normally our resident astronomer, Jared Head, would be talking about, and that's Hayabusa 2 and its mission to rendezvous with a near-Earth asteroid this summer. Well, Hayabusa 2 has taken its first image of that asteroid, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. This is your space pod for Tuesday, March 6th, 2018. Hayabusa 2 was launched on December 3rd, 2014 aboard an H-2A rocket, and it's a follow-up to Japan's first Hayabusa spacecraft, which rendezvoused with a near-Earth object, Itokawa, in 2005. You know what, let me start over. I'm tripping already. It's cool. Hayabusa 2 was launched on December 3rd, 2014 aboard an H-2A rocket, and it's a follow-up to Japan's first Hayabusa spacecraft, which rendezvoused with a near-Earth asteroid called Itokawa in 2005 and returned samples of that asteroid to Earth in 2010. And it was the first spacecraft to ever do so, to return samples from a near-Earth asteroid to Earth, although the sample size was much, much less than expected, only a couple of grains of dust. However, Hayabusa 2 aims to address all the different weak points that were identified in that mission and return a bigger sample back to Earth. The probe still has over 1 million kilometers to cover in order to reach its target in June for a 1.5-year exploration mission that will see the spacecraft dispatch a series of landers and an impactor while also making contact with Ryugu itself to scoop up sample material and return that sample to Earth in December of 2020. And the first optical images of Ryugu, only appearing as a small speck of light, have been taken by the spacecraft on February 26th, just this past week. And Ryugu is a 920 meter C-type. Let me start over from the optical images right there. We can just leave it on this images, sorry. The first optical images of Ryugu, only appearing as a really small speck of light there, have been taken by the Hayabusa 2 spacecraft on February 26th, just this past week. And Ryugu is a 920-meter C-type primitive body that is hoped to hold a treasure trove of scientific information that hopefully will have all the different preserved record of the early days of the formation of the solar system. And with that sample, we'll hopefully be able to advance that science even further. Now, the asteroid was officially named Ryugu on October 5th of 2015, and its name refers to a Japanese folktale called Ryugu-jo, which means Dragon's Palace. And the Dragon's Palace was a wonderful and magical palace at the bottom of the ocean where the hero of the story, Urashima Taru, was brought by a turtle. And when he returned from that palace, he brought back with him a mysterious box, which, just like Hayabusa 2, will bring back a capsule with samples to Earth. Now, Hayabusa 2 was designed with ion engines to perform multiple long burns and adjust its course in its heliocentric orbit and get a gravity assist from an Earth flyby and adjust its course as needed for the eventual rendezvous with the Ryugu in early June this year. Now, aside from the primary sample collection and return system that the spacecraft will have, it's also going to dispatching 4 landers. The 10-kilogram mascot lander built in Europe for an in situ study of surface composition and properties, and 3 Minerva landers that were similar to a Minerva lander that was on the first Hayabusa spacecraft, which are going to deliver imagery and also have temperature measurements of the asteroid. And all the landers are going to make several hops across the asteroid's surface to take those different measurements at different locations. And another payload is going to be an impactor that's going to be deployed towards the asteroid and use high explosives to generate a really high-speed impact that's hoped to expose enough material so that it would be easier to collect a sample with Hayabusa 2 later. And there's going to be a deployable camera that hopefully will be used to document that impact of the penetrator. And here's just one other really cool time-lapse image that was taken by Hayabusa 2 on December 3rd of 2015 during its Earth flyby maneuver. And if everything goes according to plan, the return capsule should land in Australia. So hopefully everything goes well with this, and we're going to see just in a couple of months what this asteroid is going to reveal. But don't forget, if you haven't already, to check out our last week's show, which we had Max Hope talking about launcher systems, and it's going to be a really interesting interview that we had for that. So definitely check it out, and be sure to check out every live show that we have every Saturday at 1800 Coordinated Universal Time. Like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends, and if you can, support us on patreon.com or makersupport.com. But until the next time I see you guys, keep moving onwards and upwards, and don't forget, Ad Astra to the stars.
Good job, Mike. I think that was fine.
Thank you. Tripped up quite a bit, but we're short on time, so we'll just have to move along. You did great, Lisa, by the way. Your button pushing was on point.
Mike, that was perfect. You got everything spot on it.
Yeah,
Great job.
We're going to do Athena's after.
Oh, thank you.
Cool.
Oh, you mean about like all the info and stuff like
you
that?
got all the science right on it. Awesome, dude.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yay.
And yeah, I'm
Yeah,
super
hopefully,
excited
yeah.
about that mission. I was like spazzing out when you were talking about some of the things. So
You
Yeah, for real,
did.
though. Hopefully we do get a really big sample back this time.
Oh goodness.
Remember the reveal when they opened up the capsule last time and there's just like barely nothing?
yeah, it's just little grains, but it was
Yeah.
still important grains. So
Yeah,
I love it.
confirmed that it was indeed from the asteroid. So no, it was. Yeah, this.
And like Randy
Yeah,
says,
it's
no
gonna be
long
a-
guy this week, so that's looking up all the way around.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, I am.
I love how
Sorry, I
everyone
freaked
had
out so
to.
much last time. It's just I remember having like a conversation with him, just being like, "Oh, hey, I'm doing this thing," and he thought it was really cool, and so he agreed that he would come by like around like 3:00 or something like that.
Right.
And shows up at whatever time it was, like 12:30, 12:45, and then sorry for getting so upset about that.
Oh, too funny. Yeah, so we're gonna end up doing your space
At the
pod.
end, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
is that
Okay, that's what I
okay?
figured, yeah.
Yeah, we figured. We just want to make
That's why
sure
I
that we
changed
get.
now because of
Yup.
the next segment.
It's funny. So Athena and Jared were on for space, and they're also going to be on for science. Say hello, Lisa. But they both wanted to change. Which are you changing?
And
or
I
not?
forgot.
What's going on?
Wardrobe
You.
Yes, I like your other shirt too. Put it on.
I don't think I fit in it very well.
Oh no. Well, you could just put it on over that too.
Yeah,
if
let's
you
say
want.
put it over this one.
Mr. Mike,
it
I'm
on
sorry.
that.
You said something, and I talked over you.
Nope, you're fine.
Okay.
You're fine. Anyway, I should probably sign off then. Did you guys say that you were going to do Athena's pod now, or?
No, we're gonna do
I'm
Athena's
gonna
pod
do it at
after.
the end. Yeah.
She's got a science and a space pod to do, and we're just going to do them later because we didn't want to run into delaying science if we can help it.
Yeah.
So many cables.
Also, what's
Well, I
really
would
funny
probably
is that
sign
all
off
three
then,
girls
so
are
that
wearing
you guys
black
can get
today.
to it.
I know. I just realized that too.
It's my rock that shirt, right? And then
I love this.
I should have
Mine
worn
is
my
just
other
plain,
one.
but-
The other one has like the still testing patch in the front, and then on the back it says like launch team. I should have worn that one. Regret.
Well, you have it for the next one, the next show. Options. What's it called? Okay, so now what do we do?
You need to go and do science news.
Oh, yeah, okay,
I'm not-
bye.
you two and Jared are doing science news.
Okay.
So you guys need microphones.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good luck, everybody, and I know you guys are going to do great. So,
Yeah. Thank
good
you,
luck
Mike.
with the
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Thanks, Mike.
See you guys next week.
Yay.
Yay.
Bye.
Bye. We have all of the things.
Oh, my lips are chapped again. Damn it, winter.
5 minutes out.
with her where I'm just like,
May I please have your ears?
Yeah. Because I don't need them. Of course.
Yes, I need a microphone.
Oy vey. Oh,
Max's. He's still wearing it, right?
he is. Although let's ask Dada which one he wants on you, because he might actually want me on you or somebody else.
Probably Jade. One of you goes to Jade because she's doing the news, right?
I want to be on this screen.
Right. That totally makes sense.
Like,
Yes.
yeah.
So then you need Ben's
Well,
mic,
you
which
got
I think
the
Athena
opportunity
has.
to go to New York for a modeling gig or something.
Oh yeah, that would be fun. I've been
No,
wanting to go
you're
back
Ben,
anyway
though.
for something. Well, while I'm there, I
You're
should
not
visit
guest. Right. So
Brooklyn for a little bit. That'd be fun.
I know. How are you
Do you need
guys?
help with anything?
Changing it,
Or-
then
okay.
That'll mess up news.
It is worth changing if it helps Dada.
What if I grab Max's mic now and then me and Athena just switch packs?
You gotta talk to Dada. Don't talk to me.
Which microphone should I use?
Sorry, guys. I know this is really weird. We have all of the microphones are all over the places. I'm pretty sure you're wearing Ben's, right?
I don't actually know anymore. Jared, I think.
Oh yeah, no, you're wearing Jared.
Okay. Should I give Jared?
That is a good question. No, I think you're okay. You're
good, I
probably
hope
okay
so.
on Jared. It's all going to come down to what Dada wants. Because
Okay.
typically, Jared and Carrie Ann, I don't have ears, so you're going to have to relay something. Sorry. No, I got nothing.
You were saying
You can talk
words.
to me all you like. I can't hear you. I can
Oh,
only
yeah.
talk to you.
I can repeat it.
Gotcha.
This is so much fun.
It's such a fun month. This is.
Yeah.
I feel like a cyborg. All these like wires everywhere.
Oh, I think I only have 6 minutes and 37 seconds left? Or is that 6 hours and 37 minutes? That's
For
so
the
weird. I've
battery
never
to
heard
die?
that before. Guest has guest right now. Do you want guest to have guest or you want... I'm not the star woman. No, negative.
Totally professionals. We do this every month.
Hey, to be fair, I mean, this is a weird one.
We just have too many people and not enough like things, right?
What if we just start talking into each other's
If
microphones?
we just got more microphones and more ears, this wouldn't be a problem, Benjamin. And I can say that because I was not listening.
How's it going?
So there's that.
I know. That's like, and then yeah, I like it. We all kind of have like a uniform going on. I think last time it was like that with us too. Were we all wearing black or was it gray?
Except for Mike. Yeah,
Except
Mike
Mike.
was like,
Yeah, he was wearing blue.
yeah. So who do you want where?
Here, I don't.
No, microphone wise.
Oh, that's
That's good?
Yeah.
All right, so everyone has whatever it is that they need or want. Cool.
I want to get like a big microphone.
Be on yours.
Sure.
What mic do you
Y'all
have?
ready to do some science?
Do you have a mic right now?
No, I do not have
I'm
my
gonna go right
mic.
over there.
Oh, so you want...
Yeah.
I was like, did things change?
I just figured since like
I don't care.
Okay.
You can have mine.
since the camera
But
was
then
still
that
rolling
means
over there, I was like, oh man,
y'all are going to be in silence for a little bit. We're going to wait for Jared to get his ear in because that's always a lovely thing to listen to.
Duper duper.
I should do that right when we start.
You do not need to do
Guys,
that.
I hit a growth spurt.
You're fine. I'm talking to them.
Becoming more supermodel-y as the days progress.
That would be like beyond the level. It would be like you're too tall. You can't actually model anymore.
I know, right?
Like Carly Kloss is like the maximum height.
She's like what, 6.
I think she's 6'2" or 6. No, no,
If you did something wrong, you'd hear my mom voice.
Amazon.
I'm pretty sure she's 6'1".
And I promise you would actually hear it.
Oh, I need a.
No problem.
It's amazing. Are you gonna have to go up all the way through like everything?
Yep.
Or just
That's
like
what
around?
we like to hear.
Okay.
Not the most comfortable feeling ever.
That is 6 hours and 35 minutes I've
Maybe if
determined,
you
so
want
that's
like
good.
hang it
That'll be
here and
plenty
then
of
just
time.
hang like droop it over the.
Apparently,
back and
after a
have
while,
it
the
here,
batteries
just tuck
tell
the
you how
cord
much
in.
time you have on them.
This is the first time I
Right?
actually tucked
That's
it
what I
into
thought.
the clothing.
This is
Hi.
my thing. On my thing.
That's cool.
It was such a
It's not
projected
gonna help
high.
unless somebody's listening to you. Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
That's true.
What do I do now?
What if I
You need this mic, and then you're gonna go be me. Okay?
I'm going in here? What am I doing?
It's news. What did you think was happening?
I just saw everyone gathered in here, and I was like, wow, look, everybody's in here.
Did you hear my mom voice on that one?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Sorry, Mom.
Sorry, kids, not yelling at you. Nice talking to you. So sorry. Gotta go.
Oh, they just go backwards. Oh, God. Hit the other button.
So many buttons.
Yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the ass. It really is.
Can't you just like innate them, just like drag them to one different place?
No, not through the tool I have.
The ears. Oh,
There are
speaker box.
so
Ears, yeah.
many laptops in here.
I'm
Whoa.
not sure where they are.
Whoa, bro.
Do you guys have
This
more
isn't a
ear
laptop,
boxes? She doesn't have a.
I need a
One for the ears.
But I have ears, but I need like the box that disconnects.
Yes. HB1 or Lisa?
Where
I
am I
didn't really
at?
like that.
Oh wait,
Yo.
so we don't need this then?
Y'all want me standing here? Yeah, it's the tall
Yeah,
group here.
I think it's
so-
good. Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
now I'm the short. I'm the short one.
Yeah, you are the short one, Jade. I'm very sorry.
Wait, Jared, how tall are you?
I'm 6'3".
Okay, yeah.
Not 6'3",
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Hold on,
Yes,
wait.
I am.
Take this off.
Take them off. Hi, Jad.
Hi, Dad. Your dad height for sure.
I think we should all wear
Dad
like
height?
heels one day.
Yeah.
How much datitude does this shirt give me?
You're like on a scale of 1
I
to
love
12, at
that.
least a 14.
Sick. So.
And I didn't. The only reason I didn't say 15 is because you're not technically a dad yet. But if
Well,
you
I don't
were,
ever really want to be a dad, honestly.
I mean, you could be a dad in the figurative sense.
He's like my children's though. Does that count?
Distant.
So you're like a grandpa?
I guess.
Hey, are you my dad?
Maybe.
I
Swap
would
shirts.
explain
It's
a
not
lot.
out of the realm of possibility. I am adopted,
Honestly.
so.
But you're like you produce, science and joy for the world. So in that
Well,
way,
I don't think I got your
Joy, not
Yeah, I don't
Joy.
know about joy.
Not Joy. Oh, your IFB is here.
Oh yeah.
oh
you
my
need
my,
these.
my ear gum.
I think it's back here.
It's no longer gum shaped.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
ear
then,
shaped.
color me disappointed.
Thanks
I
to
got
Wicked.
them. Ben, I got them.
Thanks to
They were
Wicked.
back there.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Do I get to keep the box too? What?
Right?
Is this
I gave it to her. Yeah. I
Oh
wasn't
my
saying it loud
gosh.
enough. I forgot you don't have
So now,
earphones.
you would expect it to be super comfortable. It's
I heard
like
it's
the
not.
opposite of that.
Yeah.
For right or left? I forgot.
I'm not sure which one you did.
Red.
Right.
right.
Okay.
Do you want Jared in the middle so he transitions?
Oh yeah. We need Jared in the middle.
There's also a lot of like black
and
clothes
then I
happening.
need
Am I doing
over
it?
here.
I'll break it up a bit.
Transitions?
Do I put this?
Yeah,
somewhere?
I'll put this
Okay.
in a place.
Hello, internet.
What was that? Gross.
So close.
Extreme close up.
That's so creepy. Look at you.
I just vomited. Out both ends.
It won't be the last.
Can we please save that and just like put it on loop?
We're recording.
Oh man, that was so good.
Perfect, Jade.
Can you two
should be
switch?
like-
Don't move your computers. Just move your bodies. Switch around.
Okay.
I think I'm doing this wrong.
You might be.
Oh, I've never been on this side before. Can I be on this side?
I've never been in the middle before. Anyway.
The lighting is a little different here. I like it.
Or is it backwards?
Let me show you an example. Where
What if I just like?
Oh wait. Maybe if I just
off Jade's
really get it
computer.
in there. Oh wait, I got it. It's in.
Yeah.
Yay!
Ooh, it's in.
Good.
It's in. It's in.
It's gonna block most of the sound out of that ear.
Yep.
Oh well. Hold on. Then.
I keep mine like half in.
I like that better.
Welcome to tomorrow, IFB.
Want to flip around?
It's like being at the doctor.
It's a, you guys, it's a joke, yeah?
So, here is a visual example. Right. It loops over your ear, and then it goes
Yeah.
in. And
Yeah, it's cool though, right?
into place, and it's gonna slide into your ear canal. So you have to twist it in, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I get it.
Never pull on the cable when you're pulling it back out. Loop your finger around it and kind of twist it back out.
Dig in there.
Yeah, just dig in there, pull it back out. It's gonna be not fun in either direction. But once it's in, it will block the sound. Yeah.
It's twisted.
We're talking about animals today, right?
Let's go ahead and make this your primary
the-
position.
the
So if you
testing,
haven't,
yeah.
switch your computers for me.
Animal
And
testing.
you need a new name banner. And
Oh,
since
this
I
is
have to build a new
permanent.
name banner,
Yes.
now
Wow.
it's
Here
There
you
you
go,
go.
lady.
Thank you.
Nice necklace.
It
Thank
wasn't
you.
intentional, it's just a byproduct.
Yeah, it was.
No, it was
My
not.
friend designed it.
Jade on the other side.
Get?
Juno.
Yes.
Oh. Oh god. Oh, the internet. It's weird not being able to hear out of one ear and hearing out of the other. I feel like I'm gonna fall over.
I can't hear out of both now, but I get sound in one. So
Oh.
You haven't taken any of the vitamins, have you?
I haven't gotten them
You
yet.
haven't gotten
so.
them? Okay. Are you gonna go to a doctor about them? Because you're
I
ears,
did.
right?
I'm on like almost 2 full grams of amoxicillin daily. So
Okay. How long have you been
that's
on?
the good stuff. Since Tuesday. So
Wow. Hopefully soon it stops.
yeah, it was a
Usually
full
it acts
full
fast.
infection of both of my inner ears, and it was awesome too because like at its worst, I was like losing my balance and everything. So that was
Oh
really
my
cool.
gosh. No.
That was awesome.
horrible.
No, it wasn't. Like I was just standing at work,
Like,
and
hide
then
from
all
your
of a sudden,
infection.
like the room started rotating, and I was like, "Whoa!"
Oh my God.
I need to sit down, and then I sat down, and like, and you know, this is someone from the public came up to me and started
Yeah, that's
asking
good.
questions, so that was fun.
Jeez.
So,
Is anybody not ready?
No. Oh, ready. Keep feeling those weird cords.
Ready as I'll ever be.
you guys want
Oh wait,
just-
is sound like, or have you already tested sound?
I mean, Dad Dog's not wrong.
Let me
Hi, Dad Dog.
identify. Jade, can you talk, please?
Hi. 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 I had breakfast this morning. Comprised of a builder bar, which
Okay.
is
That's become a
Nice.
okay.
Give me more, please.
Give you more? Well, it had 20 grams of protein, and then I think there was like 23 grams of carbs, which is great because that helps your body to.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay.
You need to like.
Yeah, I know, right?
Cheers.
It's just- y'all ready to get amped up here? We're gonna talk some science and things.
I know that's what was happening to me. That's why
And
I hold it.
that's on a belt. Is that just that's expensive?
This
and
is
it
why
just-
we.
Okay. Neck.
All right.
Okay. High School Musical throwback.
Sweating to the Science with Jade, Athena, and Jared.
Sweating to the sun.
Sweat into the science.
I guess. I don't know.
Actually,
It sounded good, and then I said it. So.
Yeah,
Are we
they should. That's
rating?
how they usually are.
Okay, I'm ready if everybody
Is
else
Lisa
is
joining us?
Okay.
during the topic.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's what I was going to ask. All right.
Yes.
Word.
All right, who's ready to do some science?
All right.
I'm it.
Let's do a science.
Yes.
Can we do
So-
a science? Uh-oh.
hey, I can't see her at all. She's totally too dark.
Oh,
Jade,
no,
can
I'm
they not
sorry.
flip-flop?
How about now?
I was looking at their hair. Her hair gets completely lost in the background along with the rest of her body,
I believe you.
which is why I swapped them.
I'll wear lighter clothes next time. I'm sorry.
If she's totally dark, is there a way we could like angle the table a little bit more?
No,
like
no. I see what you're saying now. Yeah, no, you're totally right.
I can roll my sleeves up a little more.
I'll roll my sleeves up.
No, you're gonna. No, now it's like illuminated.
Whoa.
Now we have a secondary light source.
Whoa.
Yeah, I was going to say. You
I've
could
never
bounce-
looked tan before. Oh
You
my
could
god.
bounce. You could bounce some light off of me. The shirt does not fit as well as.
Jared put on Jade's dress and Jade put on Jared's shirt.
All right, come on,
Okay,
take it off.
so all
Take it
right, here we go.
off. Now I'll be the dad of the group.
Yes, and I'll be.
I'll have the attitude.
Oh
Be
man.
Morticia.
Do we have to switch shoes? Because I'm
No.
not experienced wearing heels.
No, you,
So, okay.
We should all wear heels like when
Have you
they'd be
not?
I
great.
mean,
we should all be
Like
cross-trained,
super
right?
tall.
Yes,
yes,
thank you. Thank
absolutely.
you. Diversify
Yes.
yourself.
Which is
Diversify your bonds.
Science 103 starts.
Yay.
Yeah, I'm very much like that's the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
They're pretty
Don't
terrible.
go too far because I need your microphone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So, hello internet. Here's the deal. This is super awkward. We're doing like a little team building Disney thing, so I'm cutting After Dark short. So I would like to thank everyone for joining. I'd like to thank everyone for joining us
still need
today.
to-
I need more microphones.
I don't
This
get it.
got out of control.
What's going on?
Very, very quickly.
This is a dumpster fire of insanity.
I'm not sure I like this team building idea anymore.
We should totally post this after dark.
Someone's gonna get hurt.